Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT math question. Woohoo! This was question 56 on ACT 59F. Oh, pause it right there. Pause the video. Why not take a crack at it yourself? And then when you're done, you can unpause the video, watch the explanation, see how you did. Could be good. All right, let's get involved. It reads, the graph of the equation h equals negative a t squared plus bt plus c, which describes how the height, h, of a hit baseball changes over time, t, is shown below. And then it goes, whee! If you alter only this equation's c term, which gives the height at time t equals 0, the alteration has an effect on which of the following? 1, the h-intercept, 2, the maximum value of h, and 3, the t-intercept. And then you gotta, pick which ones of those are true. All right, whoa. I'll tell you what, most students don't even really give this question an earnest attempt because they look at the graph, they look at how long the explanation is, the fact that there are Roman numerals in the question, and they say, yeah, I'm gonna skip this. Or they only give it a cursory glance. But in fact, that's how they want you to think. They want you to be intimidated by the presentation of the question and to not really try to work it out. I promise it's not gonna be so bad. Let's take a look at it. They're saying that we're only going to alter the equation's c term, which is the height at time t equals 0. Okay, so after no time has passed, c is the height. The height of what? Well, the height of a ball. We're hitting a baseball. Okay, and it looks like we're hitting a baseball up in the air and then it's gonna come down and hit the ground. I could hit a baseball standing on the ground and it might go up and then come back down. Or I could stand on top of the roof of a 20-story building, in which case the height of the ball right before I hit it would be way different. And so we want to see which one of these values would also change if I were to stand on top of a really tall building, for instance. Number 1 says the h-intercept. And that would be, again, how tall the ball is at time t equals 0. So yeah, that's exactly what I changed. So I definitely want to include Roman numeral 1. So the answer is not G and not H. Ah, sick. I got it down to 3 answer choices. I've barely done anything. Okay. The maximum value of H, which would be the maximum value of the height. Well, if I'm standing on top of a building and then I hit a ball, the maximum height of the ball is going to be way higher than it would have been if I'd hit it off the ground. I'm not being humble about my ability to hit a baseball. That's just science. I mean, I could probably hit a baseball. No. Yeah, it's going to end up going higher at its maximum height if I'm on top of a huge building. So yeah, we want to include Roman numeral 2, which means the answer is not F and not J. All right, cool. So the answer has to be K. Just for funsies, let's see. Roman numeral 3 was the t-intercept. Well, the t-intercept is right here. That's where height equals 0. So that would be how long it takes the ball to hit the ground. Well, yeah. If you hit a ball from on top of a huge building, it's going to take way longer to hit the ground. Cool. Again, we see sometimes questions are going to cause an initial feeling of intimidation and confusion. It's okay, we can recognize that and say, huh, nicely done, test. But this probably isn't as bad as I think. And it turned out not to be. We wanted to alter the height at which a ball was hit, and yeah, that'll change a lot about it. We went through the Roman numerals one by one, considering whether each one would change. The answer was yes, and so we found our answer. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.